Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Are you learning English and feeling confused about grammar? Don't worry. In this video series, we will learn English grammar step by step in a simple way. Today, we are starting with parts of speech, which is the foundation of English grammar. Every word we use belongs to a particular group, and these groups are called parts of speech. There are 8 parts of speech: noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. First parts of speech: noun. A noun is the name of person, place, animal, thing, or idea. A noun is one of the most important parts of speech in English grammar. Simply put, a noun is a word that names a person, place, thing, or idea. For examples, person, Ramesh and teacher; place, Bengaluru, school; animal, dog, lion; thing, book, pen; idea, honesty, love. Sentence: Ramesh is a student. Here, Ramesh is a person, student is also a noun. Now, second one is pronoun. A pronoun is a word used instead of a noun. A pronoun is a word that is used in place of a noun. Pronouns help us avoid repeating the same noun again and again in a sentence. For examples, I, we, he, she, it, they. Sentences: Rani is a teacher. She teaches English. Rahul is my friend. He is kind. Here, she replaces Rani and he replaces Rahul. Pronouns helps us avoid repeating nouns again and again. Next one is verb. A verb is an action, word, or a state of being word. A verb is a word that shows an action or a state or an occurrence. It tells us what someone or something does, is, or feels. Without verbs, a sentence cannot be completed. For examples, run, eat, read, write, sing. Sentences: I play cricket. She sings well. They study every day. The words play, sings, and study show action. Therefore, they are verbs. Without a verb, a sentence is incomplete. Next one is adjective. An adjective describes a noun or pronoun. An adjective is a word that describes or modifies a noun or pronoun. It gives us more information about a person, place, animal, thing, or idea. Without adjective, our sentences would be less interesting. It tells us what kind, which one, how many. For examples, beautiful girl, red car, 3 books, tall building. Sentences: She has a beautiful dress. I bought a red pen. Beautiful and red describe nouns, so they adjectives. Is adverb. An adverb describes a verb, adjective, or another adverb. Many adverbs end in ly. An adverb is word that modifies or describes a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. Adverbs give us more information about how, when, where, or to what extent something happens. Adverbs helps us understanding action or describes more clearly. For examples, quickly, slowly, carefully, happily. Sentences: he ran quickly, she speaks clearly. Preposition: a preposition shows the relationship between a noun and another word in the sentence. A preposition is a word that shows the relationship between a noun or pronoun and another word in a sentence. In simple words, prepositions tell us where, when, or how something happens. Common prepositions: in, on, at, under, behind, between, near. Sentences: the book is on the table. The cat is under the chair. I live in Bengaluru. On, under, in are the prepositions. Next one is conjunction. Conjunction joins words, phrases, or sentences. A conjunction is a word that joins words, phrases, or sentences together. Conjunction help us connect ideas and make our sentences smoother and more meaningful. In simple words, conjunctions are called joining words. For example, and, but, or, because, so. Sentences: Ram and Sham are friends. She is poor but honest. Study hard because exams are near. And, but, and because connect ideas together. Next one is interjection. An interjection expresses sudden feelings or emotions. An interjection is a word or a short phrase that expresses a sudden feeling, emotion, or reaction. For example, wow, ho, hooray, alas, oops. Sentences: wow, what a beautiful painting. Hooray, we won the match. Alas, the bird is dead. Interjections usually come with an exclamation mark. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe